This 2024 Coachmen Cross Trail EV 20BH is a Class C RV. It is located in Ashland, Virginia, 23005 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 24 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 25 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features Bunk Over Cab, Bunkhouse. This 2024 Coachmen Cross Trail EV 20BH is built on a Ford Transit T350 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.